How to like a playlist on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search button. In the search bar, type in the name of a playlist that you like and search for it. Then, tap on Playlists as shown in here. Now scroll down and select the playlist you were looking for. Once you're here on this page, tap on the plus icon as shown. The playlist is now added to your library. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. Here in your library, you will find the playlist that you have just added. Open the playlist and you can now start enjoying the music of this playlist. Following these steps, you can easily like a playlist on Spotify.